See something blue. It's his shirt.
I can't even see your eye, Elon.
Ah,
I can see it a little bit, yeah.
there we go. You're upside down. Wow. I think I got it. Focus.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, oh, you're still upside down, but you're focused upside down. I'm assuming I have it close to some multiple of 20 centimeters, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, this one's focused. It's just surprising.
Yeah,
It's really strange because
clear, so clear.
here's the thing I don't understand about this. I'm moving it significantly and the image is barely moving. It's as if it's kind of stuck.
Right.
Almost. I feel like I'm moving it significantly. If I'm looking here, I can still see part of Richard. All the way up here, I can still see your hair.
Really?
All the way to you. I think it's because it's such a wide angle. It won't change this otherwise it's really blurry.
We've been killing these guys. But look what he's doing.
Lots of bubbles.
Oxygen and hydrogen.
Okay, what I really want you to observe is you know the distance between the lenses. It's about 11 inches, okay, which is about 25.4 and 2.54, about 28 centimeters, okay? So I want some data on this distance and this distance. In other words, vary the distance from the source. You could use the overhead light as a source. You take your flashlight app. You can hold a candle upside down. Not gonna bother lighting candles, partly because I don't know where matches are.
That's why we learned to focus things. Yeah, we'll use the laser. Use the laser and focus it into.
Use
The
the sun.
laser doesn't give you the same effect as a real object. Okay? So one thing I do want you to do is check out the overhead light. And that's easy to do. You just hold the tube closer or further from the light, and you put a screen under it until you observe the position.
Right under a light.
That would help.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, hold. You probably want to hold the tube still and move the tape.
I wonder if does the orientation of the lenses matter?
No. Focal lengths do. Where's the other key?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, so just demonstrate, somebody come over here and we'll find this image.
Still I'll try to do that. Can we stick our lenses to a meter stick? Take 2 meter sticks, put the lens in the middle, and then tape it around?
Do what?
Can we attach it to 2 meter sticks, take the lenses, stick them in between the meter stick and then tape it around? Then we can adjust the height of the other one?
Yeah, I mean, whatever allows you to measure it quickly. If you're gonna spend a half hour doing this, we just wanna get some images and get a few measurements. Okay, somebody come over here, let's see if this actually works. Take that piece of paper. hold this.
Okay.
Let me see if I can find an image. It might be fairly dim. Yeah, too much light from the overhead light.
What if we turn off the overhead light?
Then we won't be able to get an image of it. Won't be any light to serve the source, but we could turn it off and use something else for a source, right? We don't want to use a dot for the source.
What if we use 2 phones side by side?
Maybe 2 dots.
Yeah, it could work. Or you could illuminate something shiny with the phone, illuminating it up this way. See if you can see an image down here. And you maybe want to first do that with just one lens.
We do. We shine.
Probably something that'll reflect, that's not.
Actually, another phone screen will work.
If we shine the light through this, would it work?
I don't think it would diffuse right. Just pick something metal, like a bolt, and bolts over there, somebody grab a bolt. Good. So if we shine a light on this, shining it upward. Well, first of all, I just want to see if we can form an image with this thing, okay?
Okay.
So, okay, go ahead. Shine that upward on this thing. Or do you need that to rest your arm on?
I don't mind it.
Well, it's just hard, okay, there we go. Okay, get it closer. So it's. That would help find out what the focal distance of this thing is.
20 centimeters.
Okay, so it's 20 centimeters. I'm seeing, got a 10 centimeter?
Not over here.
Okay.
I don't.
Oh, wait, never mind. Those are bound up. Okay.
Sorry for blinding you, Richard.
That's fine.
It's really, like, the angle I'm pointing at, it's like straight towards you. Pointing straight at me, Dimitri.
So right there's a spotlight. So if I move this whole thing a little further, getting it at the same separation. The spot stays the same size roughly. Okay? If I move it back here, sharp image is there. So I have the hole up here and this thing here. Okay, here. That work. Okay, we're gonna kind of abandon this. I'm gonna see if I can find some matches, because we can certainly do it. Or you could do it with, let's do it with 2 cell phones.
What if we got a mirror and marked some lines on it?
Yeah, just put the 2 cell phones up there somewhere.
Both.
No, I mean, shine them down now. See, now right there,
Oh, wow.
we got a good image. So if I put this thing here and you illuminate from below, closer.
Yeah?
Yeah, there it
An
is.
image.
Wow.
Okay?
That's cool.
So, you see that it's feasible, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so play around with that.
Because I shook mine and turned it off for yours turned off too.
I don't know why I wasn't seeing it before,
That's cool.
except that
Just a little miniature hand. Gotta get,
Little
gotta-
miniature screw.
gotta design an apparatus where you can have a really big hand so you can scare people. down the hallway. And then you can control the light, like the brightness of the flashlight.
Yeah, 'cause it's just
Well,
the
this is-
screen.
yeah,
That's
this-
just the screen.
Oh,
I was
That's
seeing
not
if I
good.
could get that picture.
Oh,
See
that's,
how-
oh,
see how close they-
I don't know about that.
You'd have to hold it pretty far away.
Probably
But
have to
one
turn
of
the
those-
brightness all the way up too.
I'll hold it up.
Well, there's an image of some kind, there's blue, you see the blue right there?
There it is.
Even though it's vague, you can see blue.
Like, hey, wait, hold on.
Here,
Can
I'll
you
hold
turn
the,
it-
I'll hold the lens.
What if you
Yeah,
had a
and you
second?
hold it up more.
Oh, that's
Hey.
cool.
Oh.
It's really cool.
What happens if you take it away? You
Wow.
don't see anything.
Oh, yeah.
No, it just did.
That's cool. Hey, look at this, Mr. Smith.
Huh?
We got a picture from Elon's phone projected there.
Now
Oh,
that's,
dear.
now that's an image.
Flipped upside down.
Yeah, but that's alright.
If we had two,
We get
if we had two, it would
It's
flip
the
it
car and
upside down
everything.
again.
That's, there's in the white side of this piece of paper.
No, it focuses.
Elon would have to go a whole lot higher.
You mean, suspend it from the stratosphere.
Alright, let's measure the distance that it's at.
Let's take-
Right.
I think that's when it's clearest.
Alright,
Measure my hand from the table, I'll measure him from the
It's
table.
dark, I can't see.
okay.
I have another flashlight, so whenever you're ready to.
I'm ready to just go ahead. Okay. So,
That's,
It's about 37 instead of 36 and a half.
You
that's
wanna-
46.
You wanna
I think
write
47.
this down?
I think 47.
Yeah.
There's a
Hey.
measuring pen.
Where, how
46 and a half, 47 centimeters.
Wait, let me get a
and how much
pencil.
is his, wait, the flashlight again? How far is his hand? There, I got the flashlight actually.
Wait, I have a pencil.
It's at about 31, 30 and a half. From,
It's at about 77, right where the screen would be at 77.
Okay.
So-
77 centimeters.
how far is it between the phone and the first lens?
Oh, that's 47
46.
and a half or 47, I wrote both.
I wrote 47.
Yeah, yeah. So how are we gonna do
We
You probably-
can, we can attach things to a ruler however we go. We can use one and tape the lens to it.
this? Let's project it to the floor just so I don't have to hold it so high.
I like this one just for that
Yeah.
one reason, that's really nice. It's like,
And you can turn the camera on too.
oh, you can?
Just go.
Oh, that's cool.
And if you do it again, it'll switch to selfie cam.
I don't want a picture of myself. And I can't really turn it off, so just, but that's alright, that's cool. I didn't know you could do that. So we could just attach it to a really long meter stick and have like an adjustable system. Just tape. That's the ultimate
Alright.
for everything, right?
So, if I hold the phone up here, and then we put the lens, first lens 44 inches down,
Centimeters.
or yeah, and then the next one, next lens where that image was,
I see where you're going with this, so let's attach two lenses.
we have enough people where we can hold it.
Okay.
Might be easier just because it won't be exact.
Well, I say we start against the table so we can set the
Okay.
meter stick upright. Or this is as close to upright as we're getting, just set it like to the side so we can adjust the height, so.
Well, if you tape it, you can get it right, exactly upright. There's tape right there.
What, tape the lens?
How
No,
much,
tape the meter stick to the table,
how much space do you think we
so
need?
that way you don't have to lean it.
We might need more than 1 meter. I'm gonna assume so because
Another meter here.
Yeah, but how are we gonna attach those together?
we can
Yeah, I know
just
how.
10 centimeters off and then just tape them both. We should turn the light on if we're not.
If we don't
Nah,
use-
it's more of a challenge this way.
I can't hold everything and my phone and the light and everything. Figure out what 10, I was just gonna
Can we turn the
Subtract
light
10
on?
centimeters. Yes, please. So, Alexander, turn the light on. I think this guy's up there. Yeah, it's just 10. That way it's pretty easy to guesstimate how off we are. What do you think? Hey, got really long meters now. Now 90 centimeters instead of.
Hold it upright.
Then you can kind of make like X's or something. See, Scotch tape, how to do everything.
Not duct tape.
Yeah,
Duct tape,
true.
man.
Scotch tape is the baby duct tape. It still can accomplish things, it's just not as good as duct tape. There we go.
Easy.
Alright.
It's alright.
So if I,
Hold on. It needs
Why
to
do
be-
we,
Okay.
So-
Measuring system now.
let me turn the lights off.
what were these two measurements?
So it's 47 centimeters. Okay, so
That-
this was from, that was between the lens and the phone. So if you would put your phone right here,
I
I'd go
thought that was
to,
between the lens and the table.
no, that was the lens and the phone. And then this was the phone at the table. We never measure the distance between the other way, but it doesn't matter because we know it's 30 centimeters.
Okay, so
So the first lens needs to be where? It needs to be,
if I hold this one at the top,
first lens needs to be here.
okay?
So I can hold, I'll hold
This
this
is- We were using the big lens, right?
lens.
I think so.
I think so. Well, we'll figure it out pretty quickly.
I think they're both 20 centimeter focus points.
Okay,
Just
and then
right here.
Next one needs to be at 77, right?
My understanding.
We want it to be at the image.
Yes, it's gonna be right here.
Okay.
So the next one is,
Let's see how they figure lenses.
This one.
snags the tape if you have any. To the table. Keep it from slipping forward and backward. Do a little bit of that.
We could tape it to the floor too.
I think I'll do it this. It's not taped to itself. Should have done that, but I won't.
Okay. Now, why didn't that work with the tube?
Cause it wasn't at the right distance.
They're completely different
Between-
lenses. These are two completely different lenses. Would you try it?
I think it's gonna work. It would just be a different, we don't know how far down they need to go.
Yeah. So let's start with this one and make sure that this one's focused properly.
Okay.
So I'll grab a piece of paper for the image. You turn off the lights?
Ready? Are you ready for the light off?
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off.
He said, wait just a minute.
Well, we're trying to focus, get it through two lenses to change the image, but
Well, your problem is that the images you're trying to form, like with the 20 centimeter lens, they form 20 centimeters down, which is 2/3 down the length of the tube. Okay? Which means they're only about 10 centimeters from the second lens. Okay? So I kind of cheated you giving you a 20 and a 10 centimeter, although if you put the 10 on top, then the image forms closer, and hopefully it forms inside the 20.
it's
But you do
smaller
better
than
with two
first,
10s, so
or-
I'm gonna give you two 10s and see if you can do that.
Okay. Never mind.
Oh, okay. They can't be exactly, the other one can't be exactly, another distance.
And of course, you gotta think
Distance
about
from
image
that.
distance and object distance,
Because
figure out what
otherwise
these
your
things need to be.
image will be over the other one.
There's a couple of 10 centimeter lenses.
Okay.
And you should be able to get the tube to work with two 10 centimeter lenses if you can get the image of the first lens to form outside the focal distance of the second lens. You can't be inside the focal length or you won't get a clear image.
What do you mean by inside the focal length or outside?
Focal length is 10 centimeters. If the image of this lens forms closer than 10 centimeters to this one, you're not going to get an image through the second lens. Okay?
Wait, I know what this to have. Now you take.
Whose handwriting is this?
Of course, you got to know how image distance, object distance, and focal distance are related in order to
I don't know if we can
think
take it
clearly.
like that.
We're gonna try.
I don't think it's gonna work. I agree, that's
Let's see if it works. I really hope it does. There you go. Hey,
Oh,
good job.
okay, never mind.
Here's what we can do so we don't ruin the image. We can peel up the tape from the sides a little bit. Just kind of
I'm
support
gonna
it.
put like another piece of tissue just so that halfway through it doesn't like fall out and shatter.
It's not usually like this. So right now it's supported by the fact that the tape's bending inwards, but that might affect the image. So I'm gonna try and attach the tape to the tape on the diameter of the outside.
Just cover the lens tape.
It works.
Is that it? The right distance then?
It's 20 centimeters.
Precarious.
Is that where we need it?
That's right.
That's where it is.
That's where it is now.
Is this the other 10?
The other time's right here.
Okay.
Where does this go?
Below.
Now, you do really need a tube to be sure that you're getting what you think you're getting. I wouldn't balance that on there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, let's not try to balance it.
Okay, you're just doing the single
Oh, I
image.
didn't even know
That'll
that the
work.
flashlight has two different, it uses two different flashes simultaneously. It's got two different tones. It's
Oh, I see
focused
that.
right,
It's gotta be below that point
Would it be twice the distance to it? So this is 42 centimeters.
You can, what happens if you move the source further away? What happens to the position of the image?
The source.
Oh, I'm struggling to hold it myself.
Alright, hold it up a little bit and I'll move it back up. I think
Yeah, it's about 42 centimeters for focuses the image. But we can get that closer, right, as long as it's not larger than the size of the thing, so we
No.
could theoretically place it wherever.
yeah.
Make sure this thing's not moving. I'm a little nervous with the one piece of tape, so I'm gonna advance to
Yeah.
2 pieces of tape to help support it.
That is a true work of engineering. Static equilibrium.
Pick the moment.
At the point on the meter stick.
When you take the
Weight
moment
of the
about any
mirror
point, and you'll
creates-
see the same.
Well, hopefully the moments equal 0.
It appears to be the case. At this moment, anyway.
It bothers me that the back side of the lens is not touching anything at all.
Is it not?
The backside just, no, it's not, it's touching the, yeah, but there's not gonna be a whole lot of friction there.
Yeah,
It's
I
kind
don't
of
know how
very-
much normal.
That thing
force
comes
there is.
loose.
There's
and
very
falls.
little surface area,
That thing
so.
comes loose and
Surface
falls.
area
It doesn't, it doesn't matter, true,
That
but.
is absolutely no shame. It's loose.
So,
Let's hope it doesn't, like I said.
what are we gonna do?
We're gonna put a net underneath it, I think. Is what
Okay.
we need to do.
Here, this is my advanced strategy. Falls to the land of the shoe.
And then the shoe.
Or it'll hit this and
Soft
just,
sole.
or it'll hit this and just,
Just, yeah.
just go.
Spin off.
Go barefoot
We have
today.
to predict how far.
Can we turn the light off again?
And place
Sure.
Dimitri's other shoe.
I don't need any light to write.
I'm really hoping this will help if it happens to do anything.
It's like we just hear shattering. Don't see anything, but we just hear
Yeah, there's broken glass.
We should
and
bring a
Dimitri's
flashlight someday, like an actual flashlight.
I don't know if you say that. All these flashlights are better than the crappy ones I have at home.
How far down do you
We
have
don't
to
have
go
the
to get?
second lens up yet, really.
Should be at 42 centimeters, it should be right here. Yeah.
Do I have to go up farther?
Why go
Try
right?
angling it a little bit more
Just try
this-
moving it, well, we try moving this
Angle it.
down.
It should be exact, just you need to move it backwards, I think, is what it is.
Just hang on, try having it be at that,
Yeah, so the height's right. Hey, we're getting it. No.
yeah.
Change the settings.
Should bring an actual flashlight. So we can just, tape it to it and not have to worry about, supporting things that are, why are we doing this vertical? Can we just do this horizontal?
That's true.
Let's just do this horizontal, so we don't drop anything.
Okay, that
That's
would have been.
Actually, why didn't any of us think of that?
Why did it take us this long? And now I put that second piece of tape, it's harder to remove.
You can put your shoes back on, Dimitri.
Never.
Never.
Never. Okay. Need to move a bunch of things on here, but.
This is a way better idea.
Start.
Is this the other 10 centimeter one?
This is, no, I think this, wait.
I think I would just
Crap.
threw them all together.
Wait, which one's the same thickness? Crap, it's,
Oh, we need an extra.
I think it's.
I'm still going shoeless, it's just, it's my new goal in life.
Looks like I never thought to turn this off.
Okay, I think this is it, it looks like the same, sort of.